Floyd Mayweather Sr., I was talking to you, you said you might not be around boxing too much longer. Like, you know, when will you know that it's time to kind of walk away as a trainer and enjoy the sunset?
Well, I can say this to you right now. I still got more speed than any of these young guys in here. And I can get up there and whoop any of them, damn near any of them ass right now.
Even in boxing ring?
Right now. Any of them. Him? Shit, pretty much any of them. Shit, I ain't gotta sit and call no name. I just do my thing.
Got you. Now, why is that just longevity? You found the youth inside of you? Why are you still going strong?
Well, you see when I hit the pads, I go strong. So, ain't nobody you ain't seen nobody in this gym stand up with the pads as long as I do, all day when I'm here. This is the day I'm resting right now. I'm just saying that just one of these average days you see me sitting up in the air, you see me working.
When is it, as far as, you know, walking away, is it something where your body will tell you, or will your mind kind of be content with all you've accomplished?
A lot of people's mind is content with what they've been taught and what they know, but it don't go that way. You know, especially when you use a comeback like that. You use a comeback like two people fighting. Them two guys right there can fight. They might go 50 rounds, but see, one of them gonna have to give up in 50 rounds. One of them gonna have to kneel and let the other one have it. So I'm just telling you that what it is. So that's what you do, man. After you get so far, man, you got to stop. Somebody got to stop.
Yeah, but usually for fighters and people in boxing, it's not by their choice, it's by Father Time, you know? But that's from an athlete standpoint.
Well, that is very true what you're saying.
Did you, when you knew it was time to stop being a fighter, was it hard or was it an easy transition?
It wasn't easy for me to stop. It wasn't easy for me to stop because even now, it wasn't easy for me to stop because I'm telling you right now, man. I'm telling you that if they say fighters do that, is that way, and I know right now, I can get in there right now and turn a whole bunch of these guys upside down.